Hello everyone, welcome to another educational content of this channel. Today's topic may be somehow weird for some of you. Yes, its pronunciation is Ichimoku, a Japanese word, one of the best and amazing indicator I have ever seen. In the following, you will see that how this wonderful indicator works. Before diving into the subject, please make sure to subscribe to the channel as our family is getting bigger and bigger day by day, and I will appreciate your warm likes being dropped on the video at the end. Ichimoku Kinko Hayo, the complete Japanese name of the indicator, which means one look equilibrium chart, because with just one look you will get loads of information about the chart, including the trend, sell and buy signals, consolidated market and much more. The Ichimoku created and revealed in 1968 by a Tokyo newspaper writer. The indicator made up of four major components. First one, Tenkan-sen with period of 9. Well, its calculation is as the following. The highest high plus the lowest low divided by 2. We find the highest price among the last 9 candles, then the lowest price respectively. By adding together and divide by 2, we will have the Tenkan-sen value. Number 2. Second component is Kijun-sen with period of 26. The calculation is the same as Tenkan-sen, just the period differs. The highest high plus lowest low divide by 2. The third component is leading span A or Senko span A or up Como, different names it has. Sum of the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen divided by 2 resulting in a value that should be plotted in 26 periods in future. Since the Senko is leading from the last candle on the chart, we move as much as 26 candles, then that point is Senko span A. Number 4. The fourth component is leading span B or Senko span B. The sum of the highest high and the lowest low divided by 2 in the period 52 results in a value. Then we do the same as leading span A and plotting this value in the 26 periods ahead. By plotting both Senko spans, the area between these two lines called Como or cloud or Como cloud, both of them can be set. This cloud acts as a support resistance. By breaking through the cloud, whether down or up, best opportunity trades available. This is the first strong buy and sell signal of Ichimoku. Crossover of Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen is another signal. When Tenkan-sen is crossing over Kijun-sen to the above, a kind of probable rise in price is ahead, and we can go for long or buy position. But when this crossover is below the price candles, the signal is more reliable. And when Tenkan-sen is crossing Kijun to the down, we should be cautious and get ready to have a proper sell or short position. In this condition, if price candles breaking the two lines to the down, the sell signal becomes more stronger than before. There are two best and more reliable signals of Ichimoku. First, buy signal. When price candles are breaking through the cloud to the above and also both Kijun and Tenkan-sen lines are above the cloud, and besides Tenkan-sen is crossing over Kijun-sen, this condition is one of the best buy signals by Ichimoku. Number 2. Sell signal. When price candles breaking through the cloud to the down and both Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen lines are below the cloud and crossing over each other, most reliable sell signal is available. Here are some important tips of different conditions of Ichimoku components. When price candles have been trapped within the Como cloud, means that the market consolidating and we are in a ranged condition. By locating Senko span A above the Senko span B, bullish market we will have, and vice versa. When Senko span A locates below the Senko span B, then the market is bearish. Whenever we are in an uptrend and Senko SPB becomes flat, means that price is going to retrace or sellers are getting stronger. And when the opposite occurs, while we are in a downtrend and Senko SPB becomes flat, indicates a probable rise in price. Pay attention that this flat Senko could be also a strong resistance ahead. Exactly the same as Senko SPB, when there is an uptrend and Kijun Sen becomes flat, means that price tending to retrace till the flat Kijun, which considered as a strong support level. On the opposite side, when the prevailing trend is downtrend and Kijun becomes flat, more likely price pulls up and if be able to pass through the flatted Kijun Sen, therefore we can be waiting for buy opportunities. The last point which I want to add is that another component of Ichimoku there is, which known as Chikou span, and is a lagging line and also market sentiment. This component is calculated using the most closing price and plotted 26 periods behind the current price candle. The Chikou span is an important component of Ichimoku that we do not care about. Altogether, Ichimoku is a kind of complete indicator that singly can be used as a strategy, so you can easily set up Ichimoku as your desired strategy. Well, I think that's enough to start trading with this indicator. Please comment down if you need more explanations about Ichimoku and don't forget to drop a warm like on this video. And make sure before switching this page, please subscribe to the channel, and I want to thank all those who have started subscribing me and following my channel and gave me this energy to continue the work. Have profitable trades, see you soon.